Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is a quick project for you. If you're anything like me, you're a bit hopeless at remembering to get tags for family Christmas gifts. This came about many years ago, and I forgot a whole load of tags, and I was still quite a new demonstrator, and it wasn't instinct for me to think I'll just make my own, and I stressed like you wouldn't believe. And then I remembered that I could make my own. So this year I'm making mine early, and I don't put tags on the gifts to my children. They have different paper for each child, but for my extended family, for my nieces and nephews, parents, siblings and all of that. So I thought I'd make some quick tags easily, and I have been utterly charmed by the pine tree punch and the tartan of that beautiful wrapped in plaid stamp set paper, and well, actually yes, the stamp set as well. But this time I thought I'm going to do a quick project. So I've got mint macaron. So this one is blushing bride, so I've got with silver foil, and I'm going mint macaron with silver glimmer this time around. So I've got a piece that is 2 by 4 inches, 5 by 10 centimeters, and I've got my scallop tag topper punch. So I'm going to slide that in, punch the top, and then I've got a piece of foil that's the same size. They're done. I'm rounding the corners because I think it looks pretty. This is one to do when you want to craft but you don't want to get everything out, or you've got smallies who've come to visit and they want to craft and you don't want to get everything out. Get some of this out. Easy. And then my beautiful pine tree punch. Just love it. You could have them doing strings of trees, couldn't you? And then I'm going to sponge the edges, but I'm really rubbish and still haven't bought any sponges. And if you saw my video the other week where I sponged a bag, still don't like putting a dauber on my finger any more than I did then. So I hold daubers like this because I'm odd. But seriously, the thought of putting a dauber on my fingers actually makes me incredibly twitchy. I cannot bear it. So I'm going to sponge around the edge of the tree, just so it pops off a little bit, and then all the way around the edge of my tag. And I love that these are in our cardstock colours as opposed to matching a pattern paper, so you could have all of one colour for one child and all of one colour for another person and so on. And it just makes life really easy. Then you don't have to think whose is whose, but you just say love from Auntie Sam on the back or whatever. So I'm going to offset it very slightly, not too much. I want to get the loop there correct, which means I'm going to put glue only really down this part. And do you know what? Tear and tape lasts forever. I don't know when I started using this one in my videos, but I've been using this same thing, I don't know how long, 6 months? Maybe longer. Who knows, but it seems to have lasted forever and it's still going strong. I think when I start my next reel, I might say, right, today's date, or I might write on the inside, today's date is such and such. And I have been using this tear and tape since, so we can get an idea of how long it lasts. Seriously, it lasts forever. Okay, I'm going to put some dimensionals on, and I'm going to double stack this one. So you put a dimensional on, peel off the backing, and then stack another over the top of it, and so you can offset them. So I'm going to have this one here, this one here, and then my holiday rhinestones. Oh, I'm going to go the green. I want the darker colour. I used the Noble Peacock ones for this. I have to say, I adore coloured rhinestones. I don't mind, I love ordinary rhinestones. I love that I can colour them with my blends, but I really love that these are already done for me. Okay, and I did get some mint macaron ribbon. And I've got a double length, so I'm pulling the middle bit through. And then that is ready to go on a parcel. So I'm thinking nieces and my youngest nephew for that. Oh, yeah, no, those ends are fine because you could tie that onto something as well. I think they're really lovely. Aren't they cute? How lovely. Like I say, Noble Peacock rhinestones on the left, holiday rhinestones on the right. Easy. And obviously it's white on the back of the foil, white on the back of the glimmer. You can write your messages on there. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.